Okay, in Costco, $170. Okay, there's two different color options to choose from. Ends December 21st. So 160 off was 330. I mean, that's a pretty big jump. JBL 120. This one ends December 1st, so a little different. And $100 right here. This one ends on the 21st. Portable speaker just hanging off from your bag. It also comes in a blue option, which I haven't seen. And $12.99. This one ends on the 21st on the Lysol sanitizer. Clorox wipes are $13.69. Ends on the 21st. Okay, and $49.99. This is the warming tray with the little thing you can put your potatoes in. I love potatoes. Oh my gosh, you guys. I have not had a potato in a long time because, you know, we've been on a diet. But I'm indulging on potatoes for like breakfast. $40. My son is too. We're like, we miss it. $40. Yeah, this is the warming tray. Again, Sam's Club had a fold-out warming tray. It was extra large. You put everything on there. This is $40 though, ends on the 21st. And for this set right here, $29.99. Power blend smoothie soup and a salsa. I was just in Home Goods and they had a little mini one for $12.99. Because I have like a medium sized one, but it takes up a lot of room. I don't really use it. And I just hate pulling it out because I'm just too big. $29.99 here. I don't have one of these though. I could use one. $124, $125. This one ends December 1st. And I did see this in Kohl's. I think Kohl's might have been a little more. Wasn't it like $144 there? Something about that. But this one ends on the 1st of December. $24. This one ends on the 30th of November, so this one's going to end soon, and your limit is 3. Of course, maple syrup, don't forget to buy it for your breakfast. $12.59. And the cookies are $20. They're not on discount. I don't think these ever go on a discount. And the body pillow is going to be $20. I'm going to walk over here. We got the heated faux throw, $29.99. And $20. So I was just talking to this guy. He said he recommends Bose over Beats by Dre. He said Bose is also like more comfortable to wear, and plus they're on a decent price.
And the battery seem to last longer.
Yeah. So this is $20 here.
And they like the sound quality better.
And $29.99. The mini brand. Look, they got a lobster and a tiny turkey. And the Dollhouse Lakeview Villa. Okay, I do feel like this is a really decent price. $180. Because it's so strange. Like, you know, TVs, when they first came out, they were like $2,000. I remember because we spent pretty good money on our first flat screen. And then when I see them like for nothing, oh my gosh. And dollhouses back then, because my daughter always wanted a wood one, these were like $250, $3 something. Now they're like $180. I'm like, damn.
Kids aren't really playing with.
Hey, that's the puppet, and that's $70. And $80 right here ends on the 29th. When you get everything with it. So the GoPro is $500, 8K 360 action. Here's everything you get in the bundle. Twist and go lens replacement, action camera, 64 gigabytes. How many goes by one?
So they're
The extension pole. They're kind of
like the Insta 360.
yeah, true 8K 360. So, for I think the 360 wasn't it like 800?
550.
Oh, 550. Oh, it's right next door. So this is 500. What's the difference?
GoPro brand.
So the GoPro's 500.
It's also smaller than the Insta 360.
This one, oh yeah, it is smaller. This is 550.
I like these though.
So would you choose this one over the GoPro one?
I know that these ones are really good. They're both good brands, but I mean, I see these a lot because these guys will put them all over their airplanes. They'll put them on like 4 points of their airplane, and they'll film like, it looks really cool. Like they have their own cameraman filming their plane flying. It's really neat. And then you can see
Peppermint bark. It is back. $17. Well, it's been around. It's been around. Now this one's new. $13.59. It's like the square. The square. Plenty of gift sets right here. $63.99. Again, this is really good if you do have some clientele. That's pretty good. $63.99. You get the wood coaster and the cheese. This one's $53.99. Olive oil, mixed olive, artichoke, peanut. Nate's hot honey. I haven't tried that one yet. And this one, sweetest. This is $27. $27. Here's everything you're gonna get. And next to me, this is kind of cute. This is $29.99. Ooh, gingerbread mini chocolate bar. Oh, that sounds kind of interesting. They have a honeycomb one too. So it looks like they had a chocolate Houdini tin gone. But this is the Houdini rope basket. So that's $53.99. Next to me, Ghirardelli is $10.99. All those goodies. Again, White Elephant office gift. Depending on who you're giving it to. If you really don't like them, give it to your sister-in-law. Here you go. Here's an unthoughtful. Well, it's not unthoughtful, but when it's family, it does look like unthoughtful. Like you just grab to get a gift.
when you give these kind of things?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen quite a bit of regifting in my family.
Yeah, I know. We're like, oh, you got a Costco? Thanks. Like someone, nothing. I'm done talking. $14 here. The rifle case, $49.99. This went down, so it's $50. Ends on the 23rd. Okay, we did see this in Kohl's, so I think it was cheaper in Kohl's actually. Yep, but a different brand I think. But this is $2.80 here. Okay, we have the Panda ramen bowl set with chopsticks. You get 2 in here, so it's gonna be $24. Hey, this is perfect for somebody who just moved into their own place. You know, I don't know. I think it's kind of cute.
It's a 2-pack.
$24. Yep, there's 2. $25. We have the Totally Bamboo Arizona. There's an Ohio one here, which is kind of weird because we're like in Arizona. Eddie Bauer men's lounge pant. These are $10.99. Ends on the 23rd. So here's what they look like. They also have the matching like hoodie. This is $10.99 as well. They both end on the 23rd of November. $10.99. Okay, this is something I would have to have if you don't have time to make mac and cheese or Thanksgiving. $10.99, or you're traveling and you don't have a big kitchen for it. $10.99 from $15, $4 off. Ends on the 21st. Dubai here, $18.49. And then this is creamy brie cranberries and raspberry. Tell me if that sounds good, you guys, because like I don't like spending money on something I know everyone's gonna hate. I hate that. And
I'll tell you right now, I hate that. So.
Brie, I've never had brie. Like, is it like a creamy cheese? Like, let me know. $10 here.
I don't know, but
Lobster ravioli here is $9.79, ends on the 21st. Holiday dressing, this is $12.99. And then cream corn is $12.99 if you're a fan. Scallops, $7.89 if you love scallops. I actually like the ones from Trader Joe's. There is a little difference on the taste. And $10. Okay, these are 10. You guys, you know what? A lot of people complain about the muffins in Costco. They don't taste the same. Everyone keeps saying they do not taste the same. They are dry. So fresh hen turkey. This is 99 cents. Let me see. Whole young turkey. Let's see. Total 21.18. Trying to find the poundage on it. I didn't see it. So this is 21 pounds. This is Butterball. This is cheaper in Aldi.
Yeah, 97 cents in Aldi and Walmart, and 99 cents here.
The organic is $2.99. So $43. This is this is under 14 and a half. The Butterball is like supposed to be all natural, so I'm guessing that's why. Alright, you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here in Costco. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough. Please stay safe. Please give this video a thumbs up. It truly does help me, and I will see all of you in the next one.